In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Dictate tool in Microsoft PowerPoint 365. This feature lets you speak your ideas and watch them turn into text on your slides, which is perfect when you want to move quickly, capture thoughts in real time, or simply give your hands a break. By the end, you'll feel confident using Dictate to build presentations more efficiently. Start by opening Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. You can launch it from the desktop icon or by searching for it in your Start menu. Once it's open, either create a new presentation or open an existing one. Dictate works the same way in both cases, so choose whatever makes sense for you right now. With your presentation open, look to the ribbon at the top of the screen and click the Home tab. This is where you'll find everyday tools like font, paragraph, and alignment options, and it's also where the Dictate tool lives. It may appear as a microphone icon or as the word Dictate with a small arrow. Click Dictate to open its options. Before you start talking, make sure the correct language is selected. Choosing the language you plan to speak helps PowerPoint recognize your voice more accurately, especially for accents and regional terms. Take a moment to confirm that the language matches how you'll be speaking. When you're ready, click the Dictate button to start listening. You'll see the microphone activate, typically changing color to show it's live. Now, speak clearly and at a steady pace. Aim your cursor at the text box where you want your words to appear, and PowerPoint will convert your speech into text right on the slide. If you need punctuation, you can say words like comma or period as you speak, or you can add punctuation later during editing. Don't worry if you make a mistake or change your mind. You can pause your speech, review what's been captured, and edit the text just like you would with typed content. A quiet environment and speaking close to your microphone can improve accuracy. If something doesn't come out quite right, slow down slightly and try again. Dictate is especially useful for brainstorming bullet points, outlining a new deck, or drafting speaker notes without stopping to type. It keeps you in the flow of your ideas and reduces strain, which can make building presentations faster and more comfortable. Give it a try in your next PowerPoint project and see how much time it saves you. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell so you never miss future uploads.